In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to navigate to the right place. Open the view that makes everything easiest to work with, and grab the precise link you need so you can connect work across your workspace with confidence. We'll take it step by step, slow things down just enough to be clear, and I'll add helpful context and tips along the way so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters and how to avoid common missteps. This process is short once you've seen it once, and the details you'll pick up today will set you up for clean linking and better visibility across your lists and tasks going forward. First, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Whether you're on the desktop app or using a browser, make sure you sign in to the correct account and the right workspace so you're looking at the same tasks as your team. If you're on a shared or managed device, it's a good idea to confirm your profile in the top corner and verify that you have the right permissions to view and modify tasks. If you use multi-factor authentication, keep your authentication method handy so you can get in smoothly without timing out. And if you manage multiple workspaces, double-check that you're entering the one where your projects live before proceeding, since each workspace has its own spaces, lists, and tasks. Getting this right at the start saves you from copying links from one place, only to discover later that they aren't visible to the people who actually need them. Once you're in, head to the Overview area for your team space. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your spaces organized by name. Navigate to your team space and open the overview for that space. This is your high-level home base. It helps you understand where everything lives before you drill into the items you want to connect. If you're newer to ClickUp's structure, here's the quick mental map that helps everything click. A workspace contains spaces. Spaces can have folders. Folders contain lists, and lists store your tasks. You can think of this like nested containers that help you organize your work. When you land on the team space overview, take a moment to verify you're in the right place by glancing at the headings and any pinned views or dashboard elements your team uses. If your organization uses naming conventions for spaces and lists, those will be visible here, and it's worth aligning with them so your links will make contextual sense later. Next, switch to List View. In ClickUp, the same set of tasks can be viewed in different ways, like List, Board, Calendar, or various other visualizations. For the purpose of linking tasks, List View is the most straightforward because you can see task names, statuses, assignees, and other columns in a compact layout. Look along the top of the page for the view options and select List. If you already see a tab or heading labeled List, select it so you're focusing on one clean table of tasks. This view gives you a clear row for each task and makes it easy to open a task's details, find the menu you need, and capture the correct link. If your list has filters applied, note what's being filtered so you don't miss a task you intend to link. And if sorting is turned on, it's fine to leave it as is. The link you copy will point to the exact task regardless of the current sort order. Now, open the list that contains the tasks you're working with. In this example, we'll go into a list called Orders. Your environment might use a different name depending on your process, perhaps projects, tickets, sprints, content, or something similar, but the idea is the same. Click on the list in your sidebar or within the space navigation so you're looking at all the tasks inside it in List View. After the list loads, scan the row of the task you're interested in. If you know the task name, use the search at the top to jump right to it. If your list is long, consider sorting by a column like status or due date to group similar items while you get set. You don't need to open any advanced panels yet. Just confirm you're on the right list, in the right view, with the task visible and ready for the next step. This is also a good moment to confirm